Hello everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix your Preauth PlayIntegrity verification failed. So if you're encountering the Preauth PlayIntegrity verification failed error in your ChatGPT, then you are not alone. There are several proven fixes depending on your device's setup, and here's a clear breakdown. First is you want to go and update and reset your Google services. To do that, you must go to your settings, go to apps, Google Play services, and then tap storage. Then after that, clear cache or clear data, and then force to stop the app. Ensure both are updated to the latest version. Next is reset the ChatGPT app. In your settings, you can go to your ChatGPT and then clear cache and data. Uninstall and reinstall the app from the official Google Play Store only. Next is you want to disable your VPN. So on your setting, you need to disconnect or disable it through your device's setting on the or to your VPN application. This makes your VPN customs can interfere with play integrity checks, which you can switch them off temporarily for better experience.